everyone, today I'm Patrick playing another game for y'all, which is named Cuphead. I wonder if it's like an actual cup. They got the head. Let's see. Okay, this must be Baco 2 and 4's account, so let's just make a new one. Okay, let's go. Code. Cuphead, don't you T-E-E-I-L. One day on a magic. Oops. I couldn't. I can't. Can I go back? Oh no. Mugman and Cuphead. I guess Mugman's the blue one and Cuphead's the red one. So I wonder who we're gonna be playing as. Okay. It was no other than him, himself. I'm here. Okay. If you win, you get all the treasure in my casino. But if you lose, I get to take your souls. Okay. But that's the devil. That's the devil. Look at his face. Cuphead. Oh, Mugman, I'm going for a spin. Oh, Cuppy, don't do it. Oh my God, you just made a terrible mistake. You stupid little cup. Boom, slammed the devil. Boom, snake eyes. Oh, come on. There must be a way to repay you. Yeah, sure. Come on. Come on, for everything. Yeah, come on. Cried out Cuphead and Mugman. Oh, maybe I need you to collect these soul contracts for me. Damn it, do it. And wait, I forgot to read that. It said it wanted to take its soul. So yup. Okay. Kicking the boys out brutally. Don't cry out. Get there, boys. Oh my God, we need to go down or get them. Okay. Who's Elder Kettle? Oh, look at that little dude. He looks cool. Are we going to be playing as him? Okay, so, apparently we're cooked in a mug. Which, don't forget, I'm Patrick right now playing some Cuphead. Patrick playing Cuphead. I bought this game on Steam. Happy New Year's, everyone. Oh, look at us. Look at me. I'm Cuphead. I don't really care what he says. Well, he gave it a magic finger gun. How do we move with the arrow keys, okay? Look at me go. Let me see what's... Oh! What was that button? Oh, it's X. I'm gonna go defeat some monsters, Elder Kettle. Come on, Cuphead, let's go in there. Maybe that's the new boss battle. Oh, it's just tutorial. How do we get out of here? We can. Okay, I already know how to duck. Oh, yeah. G to jump, shift to dash. Okay. Come on. Okay, there. G and there. Oh, yeah. X is to shoot. I'm gonna go defeat some monsters. C's to lock in place. Like I was just doing. Okay. Do I shoot this? Block. Oh, pink things to parry on. Okay, pink things to parry on. Okay, we got some cool stuff. Oh look, it's a ghost. It's a ghost of me. I hit it. It says hit it only on 2-player mode. I don't think we're gonna play with players that can be strong. Oh, I do it. God, that ain't your line. Okay. Oh, clap. I'm Cuphead. I'm Cuphead. with my Pama band. They like to roll the dice. Like just came on, that was aiming. Gosh, I paid the price. Okay, so we escape right now. So yep, it's all right. Then about to go fight the bosses. Your time's running out. Got me. You only got 15 minutes. But yeah, the kid, we can get the first episode started. Okay, boy. Oh, my hands are cold. Even though I'm a starfish and I live underwater playing this game right now, it's pretty cold. Happy New Year, everyone. If you haven't seen my Lion Cat video, check that one out before you even watch this one. Oh, I'm cold. Link will be down. Nothing really is gonna be linked. Okay, but let's just go down here. Let's just go here. Okay, so can we talk to you with C? We can talk to you with C. You gave us some coins. Can we go at the shop right here? I don't want to do it. Okay, let's go in the shop. Pork rind shop. Oh, my hands are so cold. Oh, look at that dude. Hello. Oh, we can get this one. I'm gonna buy this one. This one looks cool. Go, buy. Okay, well. Now, how do we fight people? I want to fight somebody. Shift to equip. Shift to equip. So I just go here. Oh, cool. Is this the boss? Force volley. Let's see if this is a boss. Because I'm wondering if this is a boss. Okay. I just to shoot. Okay. Okay. Oh, so if these follow the monsters or something? Like it said. Oh, look. Oh, cool. Okay, so there's like flowers everywhere. So I'm going to have to watch out for these bad flowers. They must be the boss. Oh my god. No, you better not. Oh god. We have to kill everything in this forest. No, that thing following Cuphead. Cuphead, yay. You better not. Can we parry this like I said? Yeah, we can. Okay. We're doing good so far. Ow. No. Yes. Oh, no. I was so close. This boss battle is quite hard. Let's try second. Second try is always a good charm. Or the third try. I don't remember. But just kill all these stupid flowers. This mushroom. This flower. I think that's a flower. I'm not for sure. But I know these are flowers. We live in the ocean. We don't know our flowers much. Ow! You stupid head. Who you talking about? You're the only stupid head. Shut up, little blue person. Little blue person. Idiot. That's how you got. Idiot. Ah, idiot. Ah, yeah, ha. You're an idiot. Gluck. They're calling me an idiot. I'm Cuphead. Let me take over the game, okay? Why Cuphead? Why are you moving by yourself? 'Cause I'm better than you. No, you're not. Really? You only left me with one life. Yeah. Oh yeah. Awesome. I finally get to try out my own game. And it's fun. F-U-N. Fun. Yahoo. Yeah. Come on, duck under here. Yes. Wow. This is not hard at all. You just need to practice a little more, little bro. You're not really my little bro. Shut up, Cuphead. Play. Okay, you Rudy. Oh, look, this is where the acorns are coming from. Patrick, I bet you knew. I bet you made this thing. to kill me? Why don't you like me? Because you're an idiot, probably. You're an idiot, man. Who are you talking about? Look how far I've got. We're barely in the beginning of the game. I know, but I'm already beating it. In this whole time, I had one life. I had one life, Patrick, in this whole time. Shut up, cuphead. You see my dance. I mean, you shut up. Look, let's see what high score I made. An A minus. I'm good. Well, oh, fun suck. Yep, you do, and you're an idiot because this is not even the right boss. This is just a run and gun game. Wait, what? What's a run and gun? I'm waiting to screen load so I can see and tell you. And next time, you got some more coins. You got some more coins from that, so let's go waste it on the shop again. You need something that will help you. Okay. I recommend this one or this one or this one. Okay, so I'm gonna buy this. Can I buy this one? Sure. What does that one do? It just boomerangs. Okay, so can I play this song? Sure. Come on, don't interrupt. Okay, that's fine with me. Okay, I'm just gonna equip this. Wait, this one's already equipped, so do I equip it on this one? Okay, I think oh yeah. Okay. Oh, let's go to, is this a boss battle? Yep. Let's go. The root pack. Yep, the root pack. Sounds like a very classy name for a no cartoon. Because this is, okay. Oh, so we press this button to pull out our other weapon. Okay, so we're doing good so far. Oh, look, it's like boomerangs. I told you, it's like boomerangs. And out, that really hurt him, Mr. Potato. Stop throwing these at me. That's what you get, Mr. Potato. Don't ever try to top me. Mr. Cuphead right here. Take that. Take some of that. Oh, yeah. Switch to your other one. Then start crying. Oh, my God. See them. I'm watching the top, not the bottom. Why are you not watching the bottom? Because your tears coming. Come on. Just do this. I want to die. You only died once. And that's only one. So we're not going to die twice. Yay! Yeah, that was pretty cool. Boomerang time! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Mr. Evil Carrot! He's throwing his baby carrots at us. It's not cool. It is not. Yeah, but okay. So Cuphead, can you shoot the flower, the carrot treasure? Yeah, throwing your baby like that to a finger gun ain't very good. You're a good parent. Shoot. Let's use our V move. Brats, you ain't killing us. We're in, yeah, knockout. Yeah. Duck, bang, bang, bang. Ah! We won another one. Let's see what we made. We made a C+. Well, it was good because it was your first try on a boss battle. But it wasn't a very good score, but you're still going to get the sell contract. Okay. Let's do this. We're at 14 minutes, so guys, it looks like a goodbye-bye, and we'll see you in the next one. Wait, but we still got a few minutes or like a half boss. I feel like it, but is this the boss? Because this tree looks so odd. Yep, Groupie Legrand! Nope, we don't really have that much time. Well, but bye guys, subscribe to the channel, leave a like on the video. This will be our last video until morning time. So yeah, I'd rather you subscribe, turn on notifications, and yep.